Hi everybody, this is Scotty at Sketchy's Garage, and today I'm going to do a review on a hardwood fiberglass bolt-on hood for a 70 to 72 Chevelle. Just like to state that I'm not affiliated with hardwood in any way, and I'm just giving you my honest opinion. We took about 10 minutes to change from this hood over here, which actually it fit pretty nice too. We was really surprised, to this hood right here. We had to change it because our carburetor hit the bottom of the hood, so we needed more clearance. I'd like to say that so far, very pleased with the fitment of this hood. Like I say, we haven't really dialed it in. We just kind of stuck it on there to see what we was working with, and it fits very, very well, as you can see. But also like to say that this is a trim to fit hood, and they actually give you plenty of material to work with. As you can see right here, there's 3/8 of an inch at least of material to work with on this side, and 3/8 to work with on this side. So like I say, it gives you plenty of material to really dial in your gaps. I really like that about it. Something else I really like is how smooth the bottom of it is. It's really clean looking. Really impressed with that. Most of the time on a fiberglass hood, you have the bare fiberglass with just a resin coat on top of it. But this is very slick finish. And something else I really like is they finished out all their casting lines, or molding lines, excuse me. Very nice piece. Another nice thing about this hood is it's actually got curves to it. Most of the time you get a fiberglass hood, this area right here, a lot of times it's flat, and then you have a fender that's got bow to it, and it just looks terrible because you got your fender up here, your hood down here. One thing with this hood that you could overlook, and it's not on hardwood, is this area right here. From the factory has a piece of molding that clips right there, and you got a piece of molding that clips right here. The hood doesn't have a provision for that, which it really shouldn't, because they're not going to have something for the size of the hood. So when you do your body work, you just want to make this area look consistent with this area, because it'd look weird to have a piece of chrome here and then go to body color here. But other than that, everything else on the hood I'm very happy with. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and check out our other videos. Thank you.